Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles Makeup Monday video, and we are going to be testing out something that's not new, but I've never tried it before, and I saw Allie Glines said that she used to use this all the time and she tried it again and she loved it, that it was flawless. So, and it's got a lot of, it's Neutrogena, so it's got a lot of good stuff in it. Neutrogena Healthy Skin Liquid Makeup. That's what it is. I've tried one Neutrogena one. I think it was Neutrogena. It was like Healthy Elixir. Maybe it wasn't Neutrogena. I don't know. I haven't tried this one though. So that's what we're testing out today. I have already primed my skin. I used my Milky Mist from Pixie. I used my gripping primer from Milk Cosmetics. I do still absolutely love this, but I've already bought this, so I'm going to use it. But I totally love the e.l.f. Dew Primer, because I don't mind the smell. It's watermelon, and if you don't like the smell, then don't get it. But it's $8, and this is $30, so I will definitely, in fact, I'm probably going to buy like a couple more of these, because I think it might be limited edition and I want it. And then I've also used my e.l.f. putty on my T-zone. And that's all I've done. So we are going to go. So one thing about this, I did open it and it had a label on it and I took it off and it's sticky now. But no pump, no doe foot, so old school. I mean, come on, Neutrogena. Anyways, I think I tried it and it was kind of light. That's okay, I haven't self-tanned lately, so hopefully it'll work. Anyways, I'm just going to put it on with my finger and then go in with my sponge, and if it's too light we will just, yipes, I hate it when I do that. It's another good reason for a pump, because then you end up with it on your shirt. It's very light, but hopefully it's fine, right? Because once I take the sponge to it, it'll probably mostly get absorbed up anyways. All right, so now I'm gonna take my sponge and I'm just gonna spread this out and see if it is as good as she said it was. It's got an SPF of 20, I know that, I read that, and I will read you the rest of it. It has practically no coverage though. I can see I had a little red spot here and I can still see it, and that is like sad because it was not very bad. Oh, don't you hate it when these gurus lie to you? I wouldn't have told you it was good if it wasn't. Of course, nobody's sending me anything, so maybe that they're afraid of getting knocked off the PR list. Or maybe it's, I know she has acne scars and stuff though, so I don't know. Seems like it's got very light coverage. And really, what's the point? Maybe once it sets, it'll be better. Hopefully it doesn't settle into lines. Seems like it's going to. I trusted her. But it seems like it's got like practically, it's not that light anymore because, I don't know, it just doesn't have much coverage. Oh well. We'll just go with it, right? Okay, I'm going to go in with my concealer. I'm using the, oh, there's cat hair everywhere in this whole house. My Jeffree Star Magic Concealer. This video it's getting done kind of late because I actually started reviewing a different foundation and I got the wrong color and I thought, oh, I can make it work. I couldn't make it work. I looked like an Oompa Loompa. So I decided to just wash it all off and do this one instead. And then take that one and see if they have it at my Sephora and get the right color. And it, you know, it had to be really wrong for me to not do the video because I'd already put all of it on. The heck. I had put my whole foundation base. I hadn't done my eyes, that's the only thing. This is very light, but it's okay. Hopefully it glows through and looks fantastic and doesn't sink into lines because it is sinking into lines right now. But hopefully once I set it, it won't. Now, she probably doesn't have any lines, but she definitely has acne. And it definitely would not have covered her acne. I can tell you that right now. I'm going to put on some of my Jordana Sculpt and Go in light for a contour. I really want to try that Charlotte Tilbury contour wand, but I don't have the money. But it looks like something that I would definitely like. Okay. So I'm just going to do this, and then I'm going to go back and get it out of the lines again and set it, and hopefully it will stay out. I don't know. It's probably not going to be for me, though, because it's way too light coverage. But we're going to give it all day and see. Because sometimes, like, you guys have changed my mind about glowy ones, except those last two. Those last two are, like, so glowy, they made me look old. Nobody wants that. So, hopefully this one won't, because I don't want to look old. I forgot to put any on my lip. I think if I could afford to have things done, I would get my lips done, but I wouldn't get them done a lot, just a little, and this line. But I'm going to use the cupping, so maybe it'll get rid of that line. But I would definitely get my lips done. A little bit. If I had the money. Alright, now let's go back in and make sure that it's not in the lines, because it's definitely sinking into lines. See if we can get it all out. And then quickly powder before it settles back in again. I'm using my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores. I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit in the lines that it's sinking into. Real quick. I love this powder. It's got such a great blurring effect. And it's so finely milled. The only thing is that you can choke on it because it's so finely milled. And I'm just going to take my powder brush and spread this to the rest of my face because I have enough on there. See if it stays out of the wrinkles now. Oh. Doesn't have much coverage at all. It has an SPF of, oh, I was going to read you what it said. I forgot. It says, keeps skin looking young and healthy while enjoying natural coverage. That's what this is, natural coverage, which is basically no coverage. With Neutrogena Healthy Skin Liquid Makeup Broad Spectrum SPF 20. This makeup provides flawless coverage in a lightweight, silky formula that glides on smoothly for a natural look. The formula contains an exclusive antioxidant blend to help visibly improve your skin's luminosity, tone, and texture. And I could not find on this, the Neutrogena website, how many shades it comes in. So I think there was only like 5 in my store. But the shade I got, which is kind of light, but as you could see, it kind of went away because it was so light, is 01 Ivory. Because the last one I tried on, it was awful. So I wasn't taking any more chances. Okay, I'm going to go off camera, finish my makeup, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back. And this is the final look for today. If you like this eye look, this is a no makeup eye look. It'll be up on Wednesday. So far, I don't like this foundation. It has no coverage. I mean, every little sunspot, red spot, everything is showing through. I will do a wear test. It does seem to want to sink into lines. So I would say there's better ones out there. But I will do a wear test till the end of the day and let you know if it got better or worse, because sometimes they do get better. Not very often, but sometimes they do, especially as far as sinking into lines. That doesn't usually get better. But sometimes they just, it's like, that's it. It's there. It's not gonna move. But I will come back at the end of the day and let you know how it did. So I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back. This is my final check-in for the day, and I have to tell you that I don't really like it. It really hasn't changed very much, but as you know, I didn't really like it because it just has no coverage. And so it looks the same. I mean, you can see every single little spot. It's just not for me. If you like a really light coverage foundation, then this is the one for you. I mean, it looks good. It looks exactly the same, but it just doesn't have any coverage. And it's like, what's the point of a foundation that doesn't cover, right? So I'm giving this one a thumbs down for me. But if you like a light coverage foundation, you may love this one because it's supposed to have all kinds of good things in it for your skin. But it's just not for me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, and share this video on all your social medias. I I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!